Hey everyone, I'm Eagle Earn from Web3 Wealth Official. Welcome to today's video, where we'll guide you through the steps to transfer USDT from Binance to your Bitget wallet for both mobile and desktop versions. But before we dive into all that, it would mean the world to us if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel for easy-to-understand crypto term explanations, captivating crypto news stories, and inspiring crypto documentaries. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's begin with the mobile app version. First, open the Binance mobile app and log in if you haven't already. Once logged in, head over to the wallet section, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies available in your Binance account. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. In this example, we'll be transferring USDT. Tap on USDT, and you'll find an option to withdraw. Select Withdraw and then choose Send via Crypto Network. Next, you'll arrive at a page where Binance will ask you for the address, network, and withdrawal amount. To get this information, open your Bitget Wallet mobile app. On the home page, tap on the Deposit button. Here, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies you would like to receive. Let's choose USDT. Then you will see a list of blockchain networks available. Select any network you are most convenient with. In this example, we'll select the Tron or TRC20 network. After selecting it, you'll see a QR code and your deposit address. Copy this address. Now, return to the Binance mobile app and paste the copied address into the appropriate field. Make sure to select the same network that you chose in your Bitget wallet. Here, we select the Tron or TRC20 network. Then enter the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. After filling in all the details, tap the Withdraw button located at the bottom right. On the next screen, kindly wait for the transaction to complete. And that's it. Congratulations! You successfully transferred your USDT from Binance to Bitget Wallet on your mobile device. Alright, let's move on to the desktop version. First, go to your Binance account on your desktop computer and log in if you haven't already. On your dashboard page, click on Withdraw, which will take you to the withdrawal page. There are 3 key pieces of information you need to check when sending USDT or any other crypto assets: the asset you're sending, the network you're using, and the address you're sending it to. So remember asset, network, address, those 3 things. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send. In this case, we're going to send USDT. If you have a balance, you can search for it and then select USDT. Next, we need to get the recipient's address and choose the network we want to send it to. Depending on the wallet and the network you're using, the address might be different. Networks like BNB Smart Chain, Tron, Ton, Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum One, Solana, Optimism, and others have different addresses, so make sure to double-check to be certain. Since BNB Smart Chain doesn't charge a blockchain fee for transferring USDT to other exchanges or wallets, let's go with this network. Now, how do we get the recipient's address? First, open the Bitget wallet by clicking on the extension in Google Chrome. If you don't have it yet, go to the Chrome Web Store and download it. I'll leave the download link in the description below this video. Once you've opened the Bitget wallet, click on the magnifying glass icon and search for USDT. You'll see that USDT exists on 5 different blockchain networks: Polygon, Tron, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, and Ton. Select USDT with the BNB Smart Chain icon. You'll see the address just below the USDT balance. Click the little copy icon to copy the USDT BNB Smart Chain address. Now, go back to the Binance withdrawal page. Paste the recipient's address into the appropriate field. Then enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw to your Bitget wallet. Keep in mind that Binance requires you to withdraw at least 10 USDT. Once all the fields are filled out, click the Withdraw button. If you have email confirmation, passkey confirmation, or Google Authenticator enabled, you'll need to input those codes and press Withdraw. On the next screen, wait for the transaction to complete, and that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your USDT from Binance to your Bitget wallet on your desktop computer. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and smash subscribe for more Web3, crypto, and blockchain stories. It would mean the world to us if you could kindly share this video to your friends and family. Plus, let us know in the comments if you have any questions. We hope you found this video helpful, and guess what? We can't wait to see you in our next video.